4 in 3, 2, 1.
That's
Hey, guys.
stupid, and I totally have messed it up the past
keeps
4
on-
times.
She keeps on like, press and start over.
I don't know how to work it, okay? Okay, so first off, I want to tell y'all I have an obsession with Arizona, so go feel free to buy us some. And yeah.
Do y'all know that deodorant has an expiration date?
Yeah, we can't find it on hers, but we just know now.
It smells like honeysuckle and tree olive oil. So if you have that deodorant, there's an expiration date. Tell me, 'cause I'm scared. And comment your deodorant expiration date below,
because we just really want to know. We're weird like that.
Okay, so our next video is going to be a question and answer video. So ask us any question in the world you want. Just
Besides creepy videos, like creepy questions, like where do you live and all that, just because
I don't want to party with strangers.
yeah, I don't want to party with shit.
Ew, it just came out!
Yeah, guys, because we're totally gonna like Harlem Shake with people. Yeah.
Harlem Shake.
Hello.
I made a video of that.
Okay, so just comment questions below and go comment on my pictures. So on Instagram, go follow us. Mine is _CallistaXOXO_ I'll put that link in the down bar.
And mine's _Camille loves you to use _ and she'll put that link in the down bar to subscribe channel. She's in my room.
Oh yeah. Okay, so just comment questions and we will answer all of them. So talk to y'all later.